might be getting up, but it doesn't look like it will be for long.
Legs caught. Back and forth, counter after counter. That'll turn your lights out.
Measuring. Face stop.
Going for the cover. He might just have it. He breaks the ref's count after one.
Not quite enough to put him away.
Oh! This crowd is thunderous right now.
Who can blame them?
What a forearm. And he's got to be seeing stars right about now.
Either stars or he's seeing double.
Kick to the gut. Ooh, brutal forearm.
Smart strategy. Attack the knee. Right on target with a stop to the gut. Drops the elbow. Carefully measuring, waiting to strike. Austin with cold start.
Finn's chances are fading. Major win! That'll change his career tonight!
Here is your winner, Stone Cold Steve Austin!
Steve Austin in full celebration mode now. No doubt about it, though. Finn Balor's going to use this loss as fuel, as motivation.